Have you been struggling with getting your 1,000 subscribers or even more, and as well as your 4,000 watch hours? Then keep watching this video. Make sure you watch from the beginning to the end of this video, and make sure you don't miss any of this. Don't skip it, in fact, because I will be explaining to you using two websites. Yes, I will be talking about two websites whereby you can use, to get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 24 hours. It works. It's a proven method. One clip, one website is proven by other persons, whereas the other website is the one I've actually tested. So it's tested and trusted. But then don't be too fast to skip this video, because towards the end of this video I will be sharing with you guys a little secret when it comes to using these two websites, because in as much as you use it, it's not a guarantee that you are going to you perform well when it comes to getting your subscribers and getting your 4,000 watch hours. Okay, notwithstanding, welcome back to Juice Castle. My name is Juliet. Yes, this is actually a lifestyle channel, but notwithstanding, I still go ahead to make researches, and also based on experience I share YouTube growth tips and tricks on how small content creators, upcoming content creators that want to be monetized here on YouTube could actually take. Because if what I knew now, I knew it before, I probably will not be at this stage of my monetization, or at this stage on YouTube. But not withstanding, I am here to share my experience. I will always share anything I know that will benefit you watching me, a content creator watching me here. Okay, I will definitely share. So moving back to what I have for you guys today, like I said, I'll be sharing with you guys two amazing websites that has been proven. Like I said, the first one, I'm not in a haste to get subscribers already. I'm monetized. Okay, but the second one I actually used that helped me get not just subscribers, but also to complete my 4,000 watch hour. Yes, it worked for me. Okay, so I bet you better stick to the end of this video, and let's dive right into it. So yeah, moving ahead, before I talk about these two websites, one thing you must know is that when it has to do with getting subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, one very important thing is that your video must be catchy. It has to be catchy. So using the first app actually scans your video. What the first yes, app, or rather website, that you can use to get your 1,000 subscribers or even more subscribers, more than 1 hour, more than 1,000 subscribers, and then your 4,000 watch hour or even more. The video you can actually use, sorry about that, the video you can actually use to get it done, okay, has to be very, very catchy. Because if it's not catchy, this saying that one man's food is another man's poison, you know for instance, the second website that I will be talking about, some people have actually used it and it did not work for them. Why some have used it and it worked for them, and I'm part of those people that use it and it worked for me. Okay. Furthermore, the first app that I will be talking about, actually what it does is that it's when you upload the video there, it scans your video. Yes, it scans it, then it picks the most important, the interesting part of your videos, okay, of which when it merges it to a shorter video, okay, it could go viral, and it rates the video over 100. Okay, also giving it a befitting hashtag that could attract, that could optimize the video. Yes, I mean, it's more like that particular app, this first app that I'll be sharing with you guys, have done literally everything. It's more like a stress-free app. Yes, thankfully the world is now computerized, like everything is possible. Okay, so this first app I will be sharing with you guys have made it more easier, unlike the second app that you have to be the one to merge videos or bring up the type of video you want to use for the content. But this particular app, even if it's a long form video that you have, it will scan that particular video, it will pick the interesting aspect of that video that you want to use. Yes, and as in it will make sure that the part that is going to pick out from that particular video that you want to use is very very catchy, interesting, engaging. Like name them, it will optimize that particular video that you are going to use for that, that you are going to publish for people to watch, and also give it a befitting a reasonable hashtag to help it go viral. And mind you, I told you guys it also rates over 100, as in the certainty of the video going viral. Okay, then moving over to the second website that you can use. That one actually is just for you to get the video, source a video for yourself, be it your own personal original video, or probably you source video from outside. Okay, and while sourcing for video outside, I'll also advise you to be very very careful of not be making use of videos that have what is it called, watermark of other platform, probably maybe for example Instagram, TikTok, and so on and so forth. But I also believe that there are some website that has free videos that you can use to to use. Yes, and you when you edit it very well, you can make use of it, because in as much as you are trying to make use of reuse content, is against YouTube rules and regulation unless you abide by their rules. There's a way you can use reuse content, you will not be striked for it. But if you use it inappropriately, probably in your editing skill, then you get strike for it. Okay, so be mindful of this. But notwithstanding, not wasting much of your time, I mean to say, these two app, the first and foremost app that I talked about is Opus Clip. That is the one that actually brings that particular video that you want to use, be it long form or short form video. It will scan the video, it will pick the interesting part of your video, and then it will optimize it, rate it over 100, give it a beautiful hashtag that will attract audience, the tendency of it going viral, do the all the necessary job that you would have being on the deck to do by yourself. Then it will now publish it, thus gaining you your subscribers, your viewers, your views, I mean to say, and also packing your 4,000 watch hour for you. Then the second one is Restream.io. Yes, I have used it. It worked for me, but it actually works. Restream is also another website that you can use to get your 1,000 watch hour, 1,000 subscribers, or even more, I mean to say, and then your 4,000 watch hour, even more, within 24 hours. This one works like magic within 24 hours. So now imagine now imagine Opus Clip that now, analyze, scan, do everything for you. I mean, that one will even get you more than what Restream will give you. But then the secret I said I'm going to share with you, if you have actually watched up to this point, is that when you are sorting for videos, okay, or any video that you want to make use of, in as much as probably maybe for Opus Clip, I mean to say, it will scan videos, select videos for you, and the rest of it. I will still advise that while sourcing for videos or any video you want to use, to do your, to get audience, to get subscribers and watch hours, try to make it a catchy video. Very very important. Try as much as possible to make it a catchy video, because just like what I was trying to explain initially, for instance, Restream, a lot of people use Restream even now. If the video is not catchy, manna will not fall from heaven. Yes, but when you are using something that is attractive, that people will be like, what is happening? Let me understand. You use a curiosity video kind of, then you see people engaging, wanting to know what the video is all about or what they are doing in the video. That being said, if you find this content, if you find this video very very interesting, please help me share this video, because I know a lot of people that are novice, or a lot of upcoming YouTubers, content creators that are novice, and they don't know what to do, probably will be looking for a way out. Please, and I believe that this video will be of help to them. Please help me share this video. And that being said, I'll catch you guys on another one. And if you have any question at all, or probably you want me to explain more about Opus Clip or Restream, how to make use of it, then you can actually drop it on the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on another one. Meanwhile, have a blessed day. Bye bye.